So this is Playa Blanca. I've come down here on the courtesy bus from the Alba Premium Suites. 9:30, 10:30 and 11:30. Comes down here every day. There's a little bar there, look. And on Google Maps says it's Burger King. I don't think it is. But still, better investigate. Is it open? Let's find out. Yes, it's definitely not Burger King. Overcast today. Those clouds right over there look a bit naughty, don't they? Anyway, we'll see. As you can see, it's been raining a bit, a lot, but it's clearing up. You can see the clouds came from that way, and there's some blue in the background there. That's going to be nice. I can't remember what these are called, but they run off all the water from the mountains to the sea. I think these are the B. So that's why that one's running right now. Just chucked it now. like that bar, the Oasis. But they now own that. Grill and bar, restaurant and grill, with the pool, and they own the piazza over there. So, doing very well for themselves. And as discussed before in previous videos when I've been in Lanzarote, in the marina, these toilets used to be available for use for the people here, the tourists. They're only now available on market days for tourists. Not sure if you can pay to get in them, but trying to form its own swimming pool.
This one, sir?
I don't really think, I mean, apart from those runoff channels, there's loads of them all over the island. It's not really designed for lots of water. Sister's shop there. I think this rain cleared everybody out. Well, a lot of people. Not from stalls. Although, to be fair, it started off okay and I got to that part. Got to that bar that said it's, Google Maps says it's Burger King. Which is not. Well, I was out there on a pint and the cloud up front came over and did it empty. And you can see the results of it. I mean, like I say, the worst of it's gone, clearing up over there. You can see beyond those clouds. And yeah, this is the result. Anyway, I'm going to see if I can get a taxi. So I've just come out past the Oasis, That's the volcano. First star. Behind Marina Rubicon. Hotel Cordial. And look at that. The clouds hitting the mountain. Lots of it. That's more the sort of cloud level you expect in Madeira, which is incredibly green and an amazing island. It's not too far away from here either. It's quite temperate too. And a lovely place to go. I'd highly recommend it. I'd recommend Madeira as much as I would recommend Lanzarote. Rubicon Shopping Centre. This is the other side of that waterway drain. Under normal circumstances they're completely dry. And that's the side of the road. I'm walking at the back of the bars and restaurants, Marina Rubicon, the car park this way, and the entrance is over there, which has got the barriers where you don't have to pay to park here, unless you use one of the restaurants and bars and things, one of the establishments around here, at which point they validate your ticket and you don't pay. But the taxi rank is up here too, so that's the way we're going. And of course, they've got get a taxi, then we'll get the bus while going up the road. Anyway, let's see if I can get a taxi. Looks like there's a few people waiting. I'll start walking, I reckon. Oh, there's quite a wait for taxis. 4 groups of people there, and that would have been the 5th. No taxis there at the moment, so I decided to walk back to Playa or Playa Blanca. Mind you, when I get there I might as well just walk all the way back, but we'll see. I think it's a good 3/4 of an hour walk from here back to the hotel, back to the Alba Premium Suites. Anyway, let's have a walk. Go via La Salle. Paying attention to which shops are here, you know. You go to Lanzarote, you want do a bit of shopping. Nice restaurants as well. It's a beautiful built when they built the largest hotel in the Canary Islands. It's just behind us here. Now apparently this is the new Mrs. Travelling in a bit more glam. It's looking pretty. So that's La Salle, little shops and restaurants. There's a Hippodino at the end there, the front group, at the end of where we started. So La Salle's down there. That's Playa Blanca. Biggest hotel in the Canary Islands. Built relatively recently, last few years. That is the weather that was. In fact, that's like a small representation of it. It's a lot nastier than that looks. And this is what's coming towards us, so it's all clearing right now. Yeah, for some reason, I smell a drains. Yeah. Oh dear. It's only like take a few steps and it's gone. It's gone, yeah, no problem. Passed this so many times, Sugar Reef. Never been in it, apparently. This is open to the public. Gates closed at the moment. Bars open, eh? Can't be on the bar. As I understood it. It's his preferred club, but I don't know, maybe it is, maybe it isn't. They had at least a week of storms, or these probably more than that, and it rained a lot. So it just rained today, but when it does, you get greenery growing on the dark soil. So you can tell it's been raining here because in the last few weeks, this isn't a result of today, but of the storm that came through a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, I'm going to soon get green. Little kitten here, look. Oh, it's really minding its own business, living its best life. I think they feed the cats around here somewhere. Sure, I've seen it before. Oh, there it is. Look. That's the little cat house, and cat ladies come and feed them. They're fed all over the island. It rained and then It's not right.
Yeah, have you put it in a drawer? That's really, really good.
Princess Yaza Hotel here, but you are allowed it. Oh, it's a little Christmas tree, huh? What was it? We've got a Christmas tree. He's a nice job. He's a lovely tree. 5-star hotel, Princess Yaja. I think it. If it wasn't, I'm not sure. Not sure if this was the first hotel built or not. It's 5-star, but I'm not sure at all.
Ya tenemos el informe hecho, más o menos.
Me pasó cuando llegué al hospital. Yo decía que cogía Pablo y yo la vida.
I didn't really think I'd get any videos today because of the rain, but that sun's now hitting and that's getting warm, proper warm. I've not seen this one before. It's right next to the beach, Playa Blanca beach. So I'm asking if we've got any beer. Hello.
Hola.
Are you open for beer?
For beer? Yes.
Perfect.
Sit down, please.
Okay, thank you. I think that was the right answer, don't you? Absolutely. Yeah, it's the first time I've been to that little beach bar. And really friendly staff. Very efficient, lovely people. I found where Burger King actually is. It appears to be there. Not on that little beach bar, not that one we've just been in, but the previous one this morning. Excuse me. We're coming down towards the port now. The centre of Playa Blanca, then the port. Oh, there's places up there. This is the Bikers Bar. Bikers Beat Club. And the hot bar's next to it. And happy in there. It's great how big you know, build these breakwaters to make the beaches. I found it quite striking, the mixture of rocks and plants and things just here. Fast ferry coming in from Fuerteventura. So anyway, spoons around here somewhere. I think the tile relationship is 7/5 from one of the lampposts. I still never found it. Well, we found it today. The spoon. And it is 7/5 on that particular lamppost that we just passed. Come see this little guy. Parrot. Oh, darling. There we are. And that. Another one of the water runoff areas. It's drying up relatively quickly. As it tends to around here. At the moment I'm trying to come out of the taxi.